heavy band. I've been getting a lot of calls lately from people out there calling me a poser, saying I don't deserve to be talking to y'all about the hip-hop world. And my response to that is, why y'all gotta be haters? 10 years ago, I saw the worst of the worst. I was in prison and spent time with the lowest of the low. I also met some of the best souls I'll ever know. An experience like that changes you, tears you to the bone. But whatever, haters gonna hate. Now let's get back to the music. You're listening to The Hood.
Reverend Winston Goodman here, and I'm here to tell you that together we can build a Vegas where it's not the house always wins, it's the home. What do I mean by that? I'm talking about family and decency. I'm talking about hard work paying off. I'm talking about regular folks like you and me making a difference. Your neighborhoods and communities need not wallow in the shadows of those casinos. Your tax dollars need not be wasted on more government waste and excess. So when you walk up to that ballot box, think about who you want to be calling the shots in this town. The high rollers strutting the strip, or the people who actually call this city home. Vote Goodman, and together we can build a better Vegas.
Bumping beats in Vegas streets. The Hood, 98.4. The Hood. The home with it.
Doobie doobie doo.